Hey man, Dave here, and I got a different kind of video for you today. You're gonna learn about the 3 biggest lies most men believe about women. Now, if you don't realize these lies are bullshit, they're gonna hold you back and they're gonna screw up your dating life. They'll stop you from making a move at the right time, they'll make you do stupid things, and they'll cause a lot of problems for you. With that in mind, let's get into it. The first lie is, she's not that type of girl. Now here I'm talking about the type of girl who'd be open to sleeping with you quickly, whether that be on the first date or hell, even in the first 10 minutes of meeting you. Of course, this is not gonna be every girl, but it's a way higher percentage of girls than you might think.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Let's get out of here.
Okay.
But most guys believe that most women would not be down for a quick hookup. And because of this belief, they never go for it. They don't try to pull a girl home from the club. They don't try to make a move on the first date. And the girls get impatient because these dudes out here moving slower than a turtle. But here's the thing, man. That girl that you think is too innocent or a really good girl, she probably blew a dude like me in the bathroom last week. Or she probably had a threesome with her girlfriend and some random guy they met at the club like a month ago.
Let's get out of here.
Absolutely.
And if you're not seeing this side of girls, you gotta step up your game. I saw one study where they surveyed a bunch of girls in their 20s and nearly half of them said they'd had at least one night stand. And the other half were probably just lying about it. These girls are scandalous, bro. There's nothing wrong with that. It's awesome that these girls are fun and open to having a good time, but it does mean that if you don't believe girls like to have quick hookups, you're gonna screw yourself over. So what should you do with this information? Well, first off, you gotta realize that most girls are gonna be down for a quick hookup, if not on the first night or on the first date, then probably within the first 3 dates. I don't care if she's the most polite, innocent looking girl in the world and she out here curtsying and shit. Second, you gotta start moving faster with girls. Try to bring her home from the club. See if she wants to get a drink at your place after the first date and make a friggin' move. Yes, you are gonna strike out with more girls when you do this because you're taking a big risk. Ow! But in the end, you're gonna get more girls because you're leading and going for what you want instead of getting cucked like these other hopeless jamokes out there. Now, if you wanna learn how to get more girls, then make sure to check out my free flirting video course. In it, you're gonna learn the exact things to say to flirt with girls and get dates. Just click the link in the description or the eye in the top right corner to get instant access to the videos. The second lie is that women don't like sex as much as men. A lot of dudes out here thinking that women don't like sex all that much. But let me tell you something, bro. Women enjoy sex, they watch porn, and they have high sex drives. The idea that men crave sex more than women is a myth. Remember, these girls are scandalous. There's nothing wrong with that. Sex is awesome. Hell, I wrote a whole book about it, but it does mean that if you don't realize that women truly love sex, it's gonna mess you all up. You're gonna treat sex as a gift she's given to you instead of a mutually awesome experience that you're giving to each other, and you're gonna wind up looking like one of those comedians who's always joking about how his wife is holding out on him. So, what should you do? The next time you're not sure if you should make a move, remember that women love sex and they love men who go for what they want, so just go for it. Obviously, like I said, don't force it if she's not into it, but get used to taking bolder risks. Also, make sure to get really good at sex. That's the best way to keep a girl hooked and coming back for more. And if you want to get great at sex, then make sure to check out my best-selling book, The Hookup Handbook. In it, you're gonna learn exactly how to be the best sex a girl has ever had. Just click the link in the description, check it out, and grab your copy. And the third lie is that all women want a relationship. A lot of guys think that all women want a boyfriend, but how many times are they gonna say it, man? These girls are scandalous. Maybe she just got out of a relationship and she's on the rebound. Maybe she's in her 20s. Maybe she's just in the have fun and be free stage of her life. A lot of girls you meet are probably gonna fall into one of these categories, and if so, they're probably not gonna be trying super hard to get into a relationship. But they will be very open to meeting a fun and cool guy if he comes along and having some fun adventures with him, and you can be that guy. So, what should you do with this information? First off, if a girl asks you what you're looking for, don't be all fucking weird about it. Don't try to tell her shit that you think she wants to hear. Instead, just be honest and open with your intentions. Tell her that you're going with the flow right now, but you'd love to meet cool people and have really good connections. If she's just looking for fun too, then this is perfect. And if she wants a boyfriend, then you'll be able to tell by her response and you can go from there. Second, don't try to get all up in a girl's shit just because you slept with her a couple times and you think you might like her. Keep it chill, let it breathe, and slowly try to build the relationship over time. If she ghosts you, don't beat yourself up about it because that's gonna happen sometimes. This ain't 1956 where you're going steady with Susie from the fucking breakfast diner down the street. This is 2019 where we got Tinder, Instagram, and a million other apps that can distract her, have her meet another guy, or whatever. So if it doesn't work out, let it go and move on. Don't be one of those dudes who's like, man, she didn't text me for like the last 10 texts I sent, but like, is she still into me, bro? How do I get her back? You're better than that, bro. All right, you now know the truth about men, women, and dating. Women are awesome, but they don't always want to have a boyfriend. They love sex, and they can be down for quick hookups, and that's awesome too. Now, if you want to know how to get over a girl you really like, then make sure to check out this video right here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to smash the like button and drop me a comment and let me know what you thought about these lies. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.